Hey! Good effort.
Oh, glorious morning.
Don't get set and go, bro.
Yep. Stop off at the local shop for some snacks, Andrew.
Yes.
So, just set off from the George Hotel pub in Orton. Stopped off at the village shop for some snacks. Oh, and some paracetamol because the little tendons or whatever they are on the top of my knees are feeling a little bit tight. They gave me a little bit of pain yesterday. Anyway, not to worry. So the weather's completely different at the moment as it was yesterday. It's cloud about, bit of a breeze, but the sun's out. Look at that view, eh? Well, hopefully, cross fingers, will finish on a high today. So, just a quick update. Got a bit down the road after setting off just earlier, and the pain I mentioned in the top of my knees, just above my kneecap, which I think is the tendons or going from maybe the muscle to the knee bone. They're both really quite painful, so I'll not give up yet, but I said to Andy, just crack on with biking, I'll carry on with the route, and I'll walk and cycle and try and mix it up, which seems to be working. But look at that. Beautiful. So nice. Down again. Right, boys. Oh, fancy meeting you here, Andrew. Has he? Fancy seeing you here. Yeah. Ah, big quarry. Wonder what quarry this is called. What quarry it is. Don't realise how big they are here. So we're following a track which goes right round the quarry we were just at before. My knees are absolutely killing me. I don't want to get up just yet. So, luckily enough for me, what we're arguing for it right now, in my opinion, well for me anyway, it's not rideable, so give me a chance to walk and just ease off. But yeah, can't complain about the weather though. It's a bit of a breeze, but it's dry, warm. Oops, go off track a bit. Let's just see the trail ahead, shall we? Oh, wrong way. Well, I'm still going, dodgy knees. That's just want to grind it out. Really enjoying it though. Probably don't look like I am, but I am. And, just want to try and complete it, even if I have to walk most of it. Overall, I'm really enjoying it. I just hope I can get this injury sorted over the next week or so. Try and work out what it is, and continue. This is. Well, we'll try and follow you.
Yeah. Okay.
Nice to meet you, lads.
See you again. Cheeky shortcuts. Yeah, yeah.
Is this a pub?
Yeah.
Yeah, after that. Cheers, mate.
Cheers.
Well done. Lots of patience as well.
Cracking rhyme.
Super fit Andrew there. I think he's got a battery.
Very old Andrew.
I think he's got a battery up his ass. This bastard here, this rascal, he's broke me. Oh. This is what he's come to. These have stopped. Bloody Andrew, he's doing a toe.
Just pretend the chain's broken.
Oh shit. I don't think my knees. I don't think my. It's my knees that's a problem. We've done it.